Text. Welcome to Montage at Cinco Ranch. Luxurious amenities. Pool and gym. Granite counters, espresso machine, pool and hot tub with lounge chairs, covered playground. Text. 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. Master bedroom with walk-in closet. Text. Full-size washer and dryer. Fully equipped kitchen. Granite counters. Text. Spacious floor plans. Open floor plan shows dining area, kitchen, and living area. Granite counters throughout. Text. Resort-style pool. Garage parking. Fenced dog park. Outdoor cabana with TVs and Wi-Fi. Covered playground with foam surface. Barbecue grills. State-of-the-art fitness center. Indoor basketball court. Opulent clubhouse. Theater with stadium seating. Business center. Close to restaurants and shopping. Sign for La Centera at Cinco Ranch. Katy Mills Shopping Center. Text. Come home to Montage at Cinco Ranch. Montage at Cinco Ranch. Luxury apartment homes. 24,333 Cinco Terrace Drive. Katy, DX. 281-394-5511. www.montageatcincoranch.com